Let me show you some tips and tricks that will help you succeed with Canvas. Canvas has a calendar on the homepage for faculty and students that lets you see due dates for all of your courses. Be careful though, if you change assignments or events in the calendar, they will change in your courses. You can filter to only show one course at a time if you want. The plus sign means add, such as add discussion. When you create an assignment in Canvas, a column for that assignment is automatically generated in the gradebook. Be aware that what Canvas calls the Syllabus tab takes you to a page with a link to your APU syllabus and a course summary which is automatically generated based on the assignments and events in your course. It can only be changed by adding, editing, or deleting these items from within your course. We're ITT and we're here to help.